Why oxygen has a low boiling point of minus 183 degrees centigrade. The reason is oxygen is a simple covalent substance. So in simple covalent substances, what we have are weak forces of attraction between molecules. Do not say weak bonds. The covalent bond is a strong bond. That will get marked wrong immediately. There are weak forces of attraction between the molecules. Just to help you with this, there's an oxygen-oxygen molecule. That's the covalent bond inside it. That's strong. What's weak? Here's another oxygen-oxygen molecule. What's weak is the forces between these molecules. That's the weak force of attraction. So because the forces of attraction are weak, little energy is needed to separate molecules. And again, important we say separate molecules. Do not say break bonds. We're not breaking bonds, we're just separating the molecules. All these questions on elshramhighchemistry.com.